Realme 16 series currently includes 3 smartphones: Realme 16, Realme 16 Pro, and Realme 16 Pro Plus. These will be joined by the Realme 16T on May 22nd. The Realme 16T will be available in Aurora Green, Starlight Red, and Starlight Black colors. The Realme 16T 5G is shown to sport a flat rear panel, featuring a square-shaped rear camera module. A dual rear camera system, along with an LED flash and a selfie mirror, appears inside the camera island on the back. That 8000 mAh battery will be packed inside the 16T's 8.8mm slim body, with support for 45W wired charging. It will also support all-scenario bypass charging. The handset will reportedly be powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, shipped with at least 8GB of RAM and Android 16, along with a Mali G57MC2 GPU. The Realme 16T will feature a 6.8-inch display. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.